Hi everyone, Har Har Mahadev. Today I am going to do some general reading for you all. If it doesn't resonate, please skip this video. Thank you. Guys, मैं देख पा रही हूँ that lot of transformation is there in your life. मतलब it is like you guys are not happy. Some tower movement is going on. Like the energy of the cards are majorly towards the tower. That means आपकी life में बहुत ज़्यादा disappointment. मतलब it's like everything is finished. You are thinking everything is finished now. There's no solution. Nothing I can do. This is the energy currently you have, and what I can say overall, kahin na kahin there is a lot of illusion in your mind. Illusion related to anything like any career, any relationship. Means you're confused. You might be having a lot of options in your mind. Might be you are unable to make any decision. Okay, or some of the viewers are going through their breakup tenure. So what I can say is, आप कहीं ना कहीं देखिए नाइट ऑफ वॉन्ड्स की एनर्जी है. दैट मीन्स येस यू आर टेकिंग एक्शन टूवर्ड्स वट एवर इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. You are moving ahead. You have a lot of passion in you, a lot of energy. You think positively, and I know that you are going to, pass this tenure, pass this phase of your life. केतु की एनर्जी आ रही है. दैट मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं बहुत भटकाव है आपकी लाइफ में इस वक्त. यू आर नॉट एबल टू मेक द डिसीजन अबाउट एनी पर्सन और एनी प्रोफेशन. आपको जो दिख रहा है वो एक्चुअली है नहीं. तो आई वॉन्ट यू टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज इल्यूजन इज ऑल अबाउट कि रेत में भी पानी दिखता है लोगों को, राइट? सो it is a period where you have to think wisely. Whatever is happening, negative, positive, I don't know what kind of phase you're going through, and it can be breaking off one relationship, or it can be like a moment where you are stuck and you cannot do anything, right? And I can see someone is coming to you, or some new opportunity or some good news is coming to you. We have Page of Cups here. So it is going, you can meet someone through social media also, or you've already met this person. I don't know if it can be current energy, it can be the future one, but I can see very soon you are going to make make decision towards this person also. So this person is moving gradually, बहुत slowly ये आपकी तरफ आ रहे हैं with a offer, or any offer. Like it can be any relationship offer, any job offer. Like, as this is a journal reading, so I'm telling accordingly, okay? And I can see like you're feeling stuck, and you're feeling that you're very obsessed with someone. उस ऑब्सेशन की वजह से यू आर वेरी कंफ्यूज ऑल टुगेदर. व्हाट आई कैन से, देयर इज वन ऑफर जिसको आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ड्यू टू द पास्ट रिलेशनशिप और पास्ट जो भी करंट, या तो कह सकते हैं जो भी आपके साथ चल रहा है जिससे आप ऑब्सेस्ड हो. इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन वेयर यू आर फीलिंग स्टक. You don't want to be with the person, you don't want to lose that person. It is something you're feeling addicted towards. तो ये एडिक्शन से आपको क्लैरिटी लेने की बहुत ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं यू आर मेकिंग द एक्शंस बट ड्यू टू द कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड यू आर अनेबल टू मेक इट. ओके, आई कैन सी लाइक आप किसी के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा बाउंड हो रखे हो. इतना बाउंड हो रखे हो कि यू आर फीलिंग कि इसके अलावा कोई भी नहीं है मेरा, एंड आई कैन नॉट लीव दिस पर्सन. इवन इट इज़ अ टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप और अ टॉक्सिक सिचुएशन विद इन यू गाइज. यू आर अनेबल टू मेक एनी डिसीजन ड्यू टू विच, look at this card. Your intuitions are very strong. You have the gut feeling. You are a very peaceful person. You have a very pure soul, very honest person. I want you to know that आपने जो आंखों पे पट्टी बांधी हुई है उसको खोलो. आपके इंट्यूशंस आपको सारे आंसर्स दे रहे हैं अबाउट द डिसीजन यू हैव टू मेक, अबाउट द पर्सन यू आर विद, और you've been with. So इस डिसीजन को सुनो. Let me check what are other guidance the universes want to give you. Thank you, universe. Thank you, angel guides. Please help my viewers and give advice card for his or her current situation. Thank you so much. Thank you. while I'm doing this reading now, I'm also feeling very stuck. I don't know if I'm getting connected towards you, but I'm feeling stuck and I'm feeling that there's no solution of anything in my life right now. So, okay. All right. So basically, you are that kind of person जो कभी अपने बारे में कम सोचता है, सामने वाले के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचता है, ड्यू टू विच माइट बी यू आर कंफ्यूज. आपने ना अपनी सिचुएशन को ग्रैब ऐसे कर रखा है, अपनी चीज़ों को, मतलब यू आर वेरी पोजेसिव काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. माइट बी पोजेसिवनेस, माइट बी यही चीज़ें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा स्टक कर रही हैं लाइफ में. मीन्स यू आर वेरी वेरी मच ऑब्सेस्ड विद योर थिंग्स. आपको लग रहा है जो पर्सन आपके साथ है अभी, या जो सिचुएशन या एनीथिंग यू आर स्टक इनटू, तो आपको लग रहा है यू आर मेंट फॉर दिस ओनली. यू कांट लेट हिम गो और लेट हर गो. मीन्स you are not willing to leave it. You are grabbing the situation in your hands very tightly that you're not letting go. Okay, what I want to suggest over here, what universe wants to suggest over here, that if someone is yours, अगर कोई तुम्हारा है, तो no one is going to go from your life. Like अगर उस इंसान को आपके साथ रहना है, then anyhow he'll be with you in any kind of situation. You don't have to bound anyone. If that person needs to go, if that person is not loyal or not having equivalent energy as you are into, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको इस पर्सन को रोकना चाहिए या फिर आपको इस पर्सन के साथ अपना फ्यूचर देखना चाहिए. आई कैन सी बहुत ज़्यादा टॉक्सिसिटी है, ड्यू टू विच you might be that person is toxic, or you are creating that toxic situation in your life because you're not letting things go. You have grabbed everything in your hands. You're not changing your situation. Okay, so let me see what other things means. Dekho, it's Queen of Cups again, the Tower card again. What I can see, that you are very 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 you can say सेल्फलेस पर्सन. आप सामने वाले के बारे में इतना सोच रहे हैं कि आप अपना देखना भूल चुके हैं. यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ नाउ. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस सम सेल्फ लव. यू हैव टू डू you have to learn how to prioritize yourself first. Okay, let me check what other guidance universe needs to give you. Thank you, angel guides. Thank you so much. Look, the magician card. Guys, God is with you. See the world card. So he is supporting your whosoever, आप जिनको भी मानते हैं, he is with you. वो आपको बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं आपकी लाइफ में. he just give you the hint also कि I am here. ठीक है, बट आप ना चाह के भी चीज़ों को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. you're not listening to your intuitions. you're not listening to the guidance of the God he is providing you. ठीक है, and you have all the resources. आपकी लाइफ में भगवान की दया से किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं है. you have everything. बस you are not utilizing those things. you're not moving ahead towards your growth, towards your career, or towards whatever you should look out for. आपको कहीं ना कहीं, what I'll suggest, please practice some self love. Please look out to you first, then look for the other person. अपने बारे में सोचो, अपनी चीज़ों को आगे ग्रो करने के बारे में सोचो. whatever the situation is, उसको थोड़ा सा भगवान पे छोड़ो. just move like a flow. जैसे पानी बहता है, let it be. whatever, you have to present for yourself first. you have to prioritize yourself first. now is a very very hard situation कि आपको कहीं ना कहीं लगता है you know it very well that you can do anything. आप हर चीज़ कर सकते हैं, बट आप करना नहीं चाह रहे हैं. you have all the resources. you know that I can do this. I am this. मतलब एक होता है ना, इंसान को अपने बारे में पता होता है. you know it very well. your intuitions are saying the things. जो आपको already सारी चीज़ें पता है, but still you are not taking the actions towards it. ठीक है, so if you think that you want to stay in the relationship, you want to give one more chance, it's up to you, but you're grabbing it very tight that you're not letting the things move naturally. So it's up to you, but I'm suggesting here, let it be. Okay, give yourself some time, make some space, prioritize yourself, and altogether the future is going to be very good if you're following the guidance. Okay, everything is karma written. Like everything is written. If someone has ditched you, if someone is not behaving properly, or someone is creating toxicity in the relationship, so karma is there. God is there. God is going to take the action against the person. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to take any revenge on that. It's all about the God. Okay, so milte hain next time.